Hey everyone, come shopping with me at Sam's Club. The main reason I wanted to go to Sam's was to get the viral imitation crab that I've been seeing on TikTok. So once I got in the store, that was the first place I went to. The crabs are $10.28 and come in a 2-pack, which is cool because you get a lot of crabs for $10. Once I got the crabs, I went over to the bakery section to see what they have, and I saw these cream cheese muffins, which looked interesting because I love cream cheese and muffins, so I kind of wanted to try it. And I saw croissant toast, which I was like, oh my god, I can make some delicious French toast with this. Plus it only cost $4. Next I saw these delicious cinnamon rolls. I've had these before and they're pretty good. The cinnamon rolls are made with a croissant dough, not the usual like bread dough that you might be used to when you eat cinnamon rolls, but they're really good. I also saw these danishes, which I usually like to get and freeze them so they last longer and then heat them up for breakfast. Next I went to the refrigerated section and I saw these teriyaki beef udon stir fry kits. I thought it looked pretty good and would make a really quick dinner, and it cost $13.48. Of course I've got to go to the dessert section to see what kind of sweet treats they have. I saw that Sam's had a chantilly cake, which I was curious about because I've only tried the ones from Whole Foods and Publix. I'll have to try it one day and see if it's good. Next I saw these cupcakes and they looked so good. These are their assorted gourmet cupcakes. They're $10.99 and the flavors included are cookies and cream, strawberry, and lemon. I was super tempted to get these mini cheesecakes. They come in 2 flavors, cookies and cream and caramel, and they're around $17. Oh, and I was shocked to find that Sam's sells key lime pies. I did not know that before. In my opinion, Publix has the best key lime pie, so I didn't even bother getting it. I also saw that Sam's had creme brulee. I've only tried the creme brulee from Costco, so next time I really need to try this. I also get my ground turkey here for like spaghetti and lasagna and stuff. You can get a 2-pack for $16.98. Each pack of ground turkey is 32 ounces, so I split it in half and place it in a Ziploc bag and then put it in the freezer, giving me 4 portions of ground turkey. Oh, I also really like the sushi from Sam's. They have a pretty good variety, and they have bao buns and dumplings. I usually buy some sushi because it's like the perfect after shopping snack. By the way, I recommend this stuffed salmon. It's really good and makes a quick and easy dinner. Sam's is also where I got the rotisserie chicken for my chicken salad video. I'll usually get a rotisserie chicken from either Sam's or Costco when I need shredded chicken for a recipe. Most of the time I'm going to choose to get it from Sam's because it's only $5, that's a really good price. Next I went to get some eggs. You can get 24 eggs for $9.34. After getting the eggs, I went to the produce section to get some apples. The Gala apples were $6.88 and the Honeycrisp apples were $8.93. I got the Gala apples for my mom and the Honeycrisp were for me. Next I got some lemons. The lemons were $3.86. After that I got some grapefruit, which were $7.44. Oh, and this is where my mom gets her dates for her smoothies. The dates are $7.97. She also gets her kiwis from here as well. The kiwis are $5.81. My mom also gets the red potato she uses for her seafood boils from Sam's. Oh, and I also saw some sweet potatoes and it made me think how I really want to make a homemade sweet potato pie. While I was walking around, I saw that Sam's sells melting chocolate, which is awesome because now I can buy them in bulk for my chocolate covered strawberries and other chocolate treats. They had white chocolate and dark chocolate and each were $8.98. I get my seasonings from Sam's as well because I can buy them in bulk. I like buying my seasonings in bulk because I use a lot of seasonings in my recipes, so buying it in bulk ensures that I have a lot and it'll last me a long time. The seasonings I get are the seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Creole seasoning, parsley, Old Bay, paprika, and red pepper flakes. Oh, and I also get my minced garlic from here too. The minced garlic is around $6. I also spotted some Ferrero Rocher chocolates. I love these chocolates, they're so good. When I was a kid, I used to think that these were some super expensive fancy chocolates, and now that I'm an adult, I still think they're fancy. They also had Miss Vicky's variety pack of chips. I really like this brand of chips. My mom likes the jalapeno chips, I prefer the salt and vinegar. The last item I got from Sam's was some all laundry detergent, which was $20.98. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. In my next video, I'll be showing you how I prepare the viral imitation crab, so look forward to it. Bye!